Find the coordinates of this curve when the gradient is 2. So the gradient function, this is x to the half, so I'm going to write it down in the question straight away. X to the half. So the gradient function is dy dx. Differentiate then half, x to the minus a half, which equals 1 over 2 root x, isn't it? And when is that 2? When is the gradient function 2? Move this up. So root x then. And move the 2 down will equal 1/4. And then square. So you get x equals 1/16. Is the answer there? Okay, good. Right, that's that one. This is x to the minus 2, so I'm going to write it down straight away in the question. X to the minus 2. So the gradient function then, in general, is minus 2x to the minus 3, isn't it? Which is minus 2 over x cubed. When does that gradient function equal 1/4? Well, it equals, move the x cubed up, move the 4 up to be with the 2 to make minus 8. Cube root both sides, we get x equals minus 2. So that's when x equals minus 2. But we need the coordinates in these questions. So x is a 16th and y is equal to, because it says coordinates, 1/16 square rooted is 1/4. Square rooted is plus or minus 1/4. So there's two coordinates there. And this one, minus 2, put that in there. Minus 2, 1 over x squared is 1/4. Okay, good. Y equals log, dy dx then. Log differentiates to 1 over x, which equals 1/3 when x equals 3. And then y is equal to, the coordinate is log 3, isn't it? X is 3. On the curve, we get the value log 3 as the coordinate at that gradient value. Tan dy dx goes to sec squared. When the gradient is 4, so what do we get here? A bit of trig here. This is 1 over cos squared equals 4. Move the cos squared up and move the 4 down 1/4. So that will give two solutions. Square root is plus or minus a half. So cos x equals minus a half. So we got two solutions here. CAST. Cos is positive here and here. Two lines. Mark off alpha. Simply write, cosine alpha then. Drop the negative is equal to a half. Alpha is shift cos of a half. Cos of 60, which is pi over 3. Tap it in the calculator if you need to in radians. Shift cos of a half. Let's just check it. Shift cos of 0.5 pi over 3. So our first solution then is round to here. So x is equal to pi over 3. The next one will be around to here, which is 2 pi minus pi over 3, because that's alpha, which is 5 pi over 3. And then the next one will be 7 pi over 3. And then it's 4 pi now, minus pi over 3 is 11 pi over 3, and so on. You can just keep going around and round and round to get all the solutions for x, for that trig equation. Next one, CAST. Cos is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and write cos alpha equals, and drop the negative. Shift cos a half is pi over 3. So our first solution is round to here. Pi minus pi over 3 is 2 pi over 3. So these are also solutions. The next one is here, which is pi plus pi over 3 is 4 pi over 3. Then the next one is round 2 pi, round to 3 pi, 9 pi over 3 less plus 8 pi over 3. And then 9 pi over 3 plus 1, 10 pi over 3. dot dot. So you get all these solutions and all these.